Hi guys, my name is Ben Opala and I'm from Kiru Energy Limited and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'm going to showcasing one of our latest installation here in Lagos. I'm going to be talking about the full capacity of the system, what the system contains, what the system can power, and then the advantages of using this system. Also, this particular video is not just only for solar engineers, but also for anybody, business owner, house owner, landlords, tenants, anybody that wish to get a solar energy system anytime soon. So please listen. And then don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell button so we can get notification of our new videos each time we drop it. So let's talk about the system capacity. Overall, this system you are looking at here is a 3.5 kVA system. And what it means is that the capacity of this inverter system is a 3.5 kVA. Then on the roof, we have 6 units of 400 watt solar panel connected in a 2x3 series parallel configuration. It means that we'll have 6 units of 400 watt solar panel, and the total of them, the total PV capacity of our overall PV array is 2,400 watts peak. And then for our energy storage, we have 2 sets of tubular battery, and each of these tubular battery is 2.8 kilowatt hour. So the two of them gives you a 4.8 kilowatt hour. And then this guy you are looking at here is a charge controller. It's an 80 amps 80 amps 24 volts MPPT charge controller. Although this particular charge controller you're looking at here is a flexible charge controller, so it can work for a 12 volt system, it can work for a 24 volt system, and it can work for a 48 volt system. And then here is our protective device. In our protective device, we have the circuit breaker for battery, we have our surge protection for the PV system, and then we also have the circuit breaker for also the PV, and then we have our input, that's our AC input AVS, that's automatic voltage regulator, and then also the circuit breaker for the AC output. So all these things put together makes up the 3.5 kVA system, and that's what we call this in a 3.5 kVA system. That's the combination of the solar PV on the roof and also the battery storage. Finally, if you are contemplating to go solar and you don't know how to approach it, you don't know how much it costs, just reach out to us. Just drop a comment for me and I'm going to reach out to you and explain to you what you can get. We're going to look at your load together and then see how we can get you something that can serve you very well within your budget. And then finally, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell button that anytime we drop a video, you'll be the first person to get it. So thank you and bye.